You must have seen in many science fiction movies and superhero content that airplane and ship suddenly disappears and no one knows how to see them and detect them. In real life also, army and defense have some kind of fighter planes which cannot be detected. So in today's video we'll discuss about how these hidden aircraft and ship work and what is the technology behind these aircraft and ships. The military technology intended to make any object nearly invisible to enemies' radar or any other electronic detection is called stealth. Stealth technology covers the range of an aircraft, ships and missile to make them less visible to any detection method. Before talking about stealth technology, we firstly have to understand how radar detect a moving object. If you want to know how radar work, please watch an old video on what is speed gun. Link of the video will be given in description box below. There are only two different ways to create invisibility. One is the airplane can be shaped so that any radar signals it reflect are reflected away from the radar equipment, and the second is the airplane can be covered in material that absorb radar signal. Most conventional aeroplane has a round shape and white in color, which reflect radar signals. On the other hand, a stealth aeroplane is made up of a flat surface and having a very sharp corner. When a radar signal hit on a stealth plane, the signal reflect away at any angle. Second way is absorbing radio waves. There are a special design material made from dielectric composite which absorb radio waves which fall on a plane. The radio waves fall on the surface of a stealth airplane, which is painted by radar absorbent material or RAM coating. They are absorbed through multiple diffusion. This paint has a microscopic pyramidal structure. The pyramidal shape minimizes radio wave energy and lower its strength. This is the only scientific way in which we can hide our aeroplanes, helicopters, missiles and naval ships. In the Hollywood movies and science fiction shows, the aeroplanes and ships become completely invisible and nobody able to see. This is fictional and not possible in real life. The stealth technology have both pros and cons. Stealth technology is not only about reducing visibility but also about creating a deception. This technology gives a very big boost to the army and defense system to successfully launch an attack. This technology is very expensive and it costs a lot to make it. Nowadays radar have also become very powerful and sometimes they can even detect big stealth device.